Hi everyone. Well, it is December once again, and therefore it is time for a tipple.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas,